50 subtraction questions. Go. Question 1. What is 6 minus 4? The correct answer is C, 2. Number 2. 7 minus 5 equals. The correct answer is A, 2. Question 3. 9 minus 6. What's the answer? The correct answer is B, 3. Question 4. What is 10 minus 7? The correct answer is C, 3. Number 5. 11 minus 8 equals. The correct answer is A, 3. Question 6. 12 minus 8. What's the answer? The correct answer is B, 4. Question 7. What is 13 minus 3? The correct answer is C, 10. Number 8. 14 minus 8 equals. The correct answer is A, 6. Keep going. Question 9. 15 minus 9. What's the answer? The correct answer is B, 6. Question 10. What is 17 minus 7? The correct answer is C, 10. Number 11. 8 minus 6 equals. The correct answer is B, 2. Question 12. 9 minus 5. What's the answer? The correct answer is C, 4. Question 13. What is 14 minus 4? The correct answer is A, 10. Number 14. 20 minus 4 equals. The correct answer is B, 16. Question 15. 13 minus 8. What's the answer? The correct answer is B, 5. Question 16. What is 8 minus 3? The correct answer is B, 5. Halfway there. Number 17. 10 minus 4 equals. The correct answer is B, 6. Question 18. 12 minus 5. What's the answer? The correct answer is B, 7. Question 19. What is 15 minus 6? The correct answer is B, 9. Number 20. 18 minus 9 equals. The correct answer is C, 9. Question 21. 11 minus 4. What's the answer? The correct answer is B, 7. Question 22. What is 16 minus 7? The correct answer is B, 9. Number 23. 13 minus 5 equals. The correct answer is B, 8. Question 24. 20 minus 8. What's the answer? The correct answer is B, 12. You are a genius. Question 25. What is 17 minus 9? The correct answer is B, 8. Number 26. 14 minus 6 equals. The correct answer is B, 8. Question 27. 19 minus 7. What's the answer? The correct answer is B, 12. Question 28. What is 16 minus 8? The correct answer is B, 8. Number 29. 18 minus 6 equals. The correct answer is B, 12. Question 30. 20 minus 9. What's the answer? The correct answer is B, 11. Question 31. What is 7 minus 3? The correct answer is A, 4. Number 32. 9 minus 4 equals. The correct answer is B, 5. Almost done. Question 33. 11 minus 5. What's the answer? The correct answer is A, 6. Question 34. What is 12 minus 7? The correct answer is B, 5. Number 35. 15 minus 8 equals. The correct answer is B, 7. Question 36. 13 minus 6. What's the answer? The correct answer is A, 7. Question 37. What is 16 minus 9? The correct answer is B, 7. Number 38. 14 minus 7 equals? The correct answer is B, 7. Question 39. 10 minus 6. What's the answer? The correct answer is B, 4. Question 40. What is 18 minus 8? The correct answer is B, 10. You are on fire. Number 41. 20 minus 5 equals? The correct answer is B, 15. Question 42. 17 minus 8. What's the answer? The correct answer is B, 9. Question 43. What is 19 minus 9? The correct answer is B, 10. Number 44. 11 minus 6 equals? The correct answer is B, 5. Question 45. 15 minus 7. What's the answer? The correct answer is B, 8. Question 46. What is 8 minus 2? The correct answer is B, 6. Number 47. 10 minus 3 equals? The correct answer is B, 7. Question 48. 12 minus 4. What's the answer? The correct answer is B, 8. Stay focused. Question 49. What is 14 minus 5? The correct answer is B, 9. Number 50. 16 minus 6 equals? The correct answer is B, 10. Congratulations. You finished all 50 questions. Subscribe for more math quizzes every day.